So you might not know this, or maybe you do. I'm just an average guy. But there are basically 5 ways to make money on YouTube. 2 of them you can get started doing right now. But the first way to make money on YouTube is, of course, what YouTube itself calls monetization. YouTube monetization is often the very first way most people think about it when it comes to making money on YouTube, because it's extremely straightforward. Basically, when you get monetized on YouTube, you have the option of placing ads on and around your videos, and YouTube will give you like 55% of the revenue generated from those ads. So to be monetized on YouTube, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 365 days. That's not an easy accomplishment for everybody, but it's totally possible. The second way that you can get monetized on YouTube is memberships. Now, to activate memberships on your channel, you need to be monetized first. Basically, memberships give your audience an opportunity to pay you a monthly subscription in order to get a few perks. They get loyalty badges, they get custom emoji that you would have to design yourself. You can do special things for them, like have members only chat, members only live streams, various things like that. It's really a cool way to get your super core audience, the people who really like you the most, to let them support you even more while you give them special privileges on your channel. It's pretty cool. Now, for my main channel, not this one, but my primary vlog channel, right now it has like 31 members, and the membership fee is only like $2. And of course, YouTube takes a cut of that. So it's not generating a lot of money just yet, but it does have the potential if you have a large audience. The next way to make money on YouTube is super chats or super thanks. Once again, you need to be monetized for this first, but basically this is like a direct donation from your viewers. When you're streaming live on YouTube, they have the ability to do what's called a super chat. By donating a little bit of money to your channel, they can make a comment of theirs appear more bold with a certain color, and it really makes it pop out on the chat so that you can see it more easily. I've gotten 2, 5, 10, I think maybe even a $20 super chat before. And super thanks is the same way. I don't have it active on my channel. The option hasn't popped up yet. It's kind of a mystery to people when YouTube gives people these things. We don't know. It says it's coming soon, but it's been saying that for a while. But super thanks, when enabled, should appear below every video that you post. It just gives the viewers a chance to thank you by giving you a donation. Really looking forward to seeing that on my channel. Now, these last 2 are things that you can get started on right now on YouTube. The first is affiliate marketing, and you can start doing this now. Basically, you find another website, a website that people are using, like Amazon or Walmart, and you find their affiliate program. But from what I hear, there's tons of these programs out there. Basically, with affiliate marketing, every time you mention a product, every time you try a product, every time you review a product, or just talking about products that you naturally use in your videos, you can leave a link in your description so that your viewers can go purchase that product and you get a small commission. Now, some YouTubers swear by this model. They think it is the best way to make money on YouTube. I've tried it. I haven't got a whole lot of success. I think I'm just not much of a salesperson, but I'm going to keep on trying it. I'm going to keep on experimenting. Who knows? Maybe it'll become my favorite in the future too. Lastly, another way that you can start making on YouTube right now is to sell products. If you make a product, whether it be a digital product or even a physical one, you can start pitching those products to your audience and start selling them. Even before I got monetized on YouTube, I started selling t-shirts. Now, I didn't sell very many. I'm not much of a salesperson, but it's totally possible, if you know how to sell things, to start selling your own products right now, or even other people's products. I wrote a little book for my channel also, and I sold just a few copies of that. Not many.
I'm not much of a salesperson.
But it's totally possible to sell products without even being monetized on YouTube. And some people swear by this model. That's why you'll see people selling courses. That's why you'll see people selling books. And it really can make way more money than YouTube monetization. Once again, I probably should focus on this a little bit more. Now, one more thing about selling products and merch and that kind of thing. Once you get 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, you'll actually get access to what's called the merch shelf. That's what you'll see below some videos where they have t-shirts or hats or mugs or throw pillows and that kind of thing within YouTube even. Now, my other channel just crossed 10,000 subscribers, so I'm looking forward to getting that. I tried to set up the whole thing, but it's still not appearing, so I'm not quite sure, once again, when YouTube decides to put these kinds of things on. But theoretically, once you have 10,000 subscribers, you'll have access to that merch shelf. Personally, I'm looking forward to checking that out so that I can see how it compares with my own attempt to sell merch. Since it's right there on YouTube, theoretically you'll sell more because you're not asking people to leave the website, but we'll see. But hey, this video is titled, "What's the best way to make money on YouTube?" And I think that's relative. Right now, I'm seeing a lot of success from Google AdSense, just the YouTube monetization. If you're good at getting views, that might be all that you need. On the other hand, if you're good at getting views, then you have a bigger audience to sell products, to do affiliate marketing. So maybe a big audience means more money through those avenues. Or maybe you don't need a big audience. Maybe you just need a small audience to sell your own products. So it's different from person to person, and it's different from channel to channel. But there's one thing that actually ties all these together. The very best way to make money on YouTube is to make awesome videos. None of these methods of monetization will work unless you're making great videos. You can put tons of links in your description to tons of affiliate marketing things. You can try to sell your own products. You can ask for donations. You can ask for super thanks and super chats and Patreon and all that stuff. But unless you're making compelling videos, none of that's going to matter. So the very best way to make money on YouTube is to make great videos. So get to it. You can do it. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.